This video is a step-by-step guide on how to book your child onto holiday activities in Sandwell. There are two ways you can view the holiday activities site, and I'll be showing you both layouts. If your child is eligible, then you'll receive a half code through your email account or a text message along with a link to book onto activities available this Easter, summer and winter holiday. The E-Voucher will look like the one shown on screen. Please click the View Voucher button and this will take you to a sign-in page. You can then sign into the E-Voucher system using your email address. Once you've done this, you'll receive a link. Click the Log Me In button and it will take you to your account. Your account will list all of your claimed vouchers, how many credits are remaining, and a button to add the voucher manually if you cannot see this in the first instance. The Booking tab at the bottom of the page will show any bookings you have already made on behalf of your child. The Account tab will show your personal details. Here, you can make any changes or log out of your account. Press the arrow next to the child's name if you'd like to book onto a new activity. To search activities, click on the Search Activities bar. You can search by name of activity, dates you'd prefer, or by provider. You can also tick the box if you want to see send specific activities. Once you've found your chosen activity, click the View Activity button. Details of the activity will be listed here along with the dates that the activity will be running. When you've chosen your activity, click Select Date. You'll notice a pop-up that will prompt you to confirm that your child's information is up to date. If the information is correct, please proceed by clicking Confirm. Then click Return to Vouchers to see your remaining credits. Should you need to update your child's information when booking an activity, please press the Update button when prompted. On this page, you can update parent and child details, including emergency contact number or address. You can also provide further information in this section to advise the provider of your child's needs and requirements, such as dietary requirements, additional needs, or any additional information the provider would need to be aware of. Once you've updated your information, please review the privacy notice and terms of service and complete the booking. If there are no places left on an activity of your choice, you can be added to a waiting list, and the provider will contact you if a space becomes available. You can now manage all of your recent bookings on the Bookings tab. You'll be able to see the date, view the activity, and if needed, cancel your booking. If you know you'll be unable to attend, please ensure this process is followed to allow children on the waiting list a chance to attend. To switch to the new layout, simply click this button. Your child's information will be shown on the left-hand side along with their half code and remaining credits. Booking activities will follow the same process as shown earlier in the video. You can search for activities by provider as well as activity. The Bookings button will show all your booked activities, and your child's date of birth is shown here along with your remaining credits, and you can easily find your child's code by clicking their name here. And all support contact information is clearly shown on the right hand side here, along with the option to switch back to the first layout. Contact the HAF team if you have any other questions.